Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do Senegalese twists. So my client requested to have her colors mixed together, and she also wanted more of the red color than the black. So this is what you see me doing here. I'm just blending the braiding hair together, and I'm simply splitting both colors in half, then placing them on top of each other, dividing them again, and I repeat this until I achieve the desired blend. Occasionally I'll stop to brush it through just to see how well the colors are blending. As you can see, this is her signature hairstyle. I've included two videos of her from her last two times getting her hair done in different colors, and she loves this hairstyle. First, I divide the client's hair into 4 sections, the front 2 sections being smaller than the 2 sections at the back, and this is because she likes her edges braided close together, so I only need about 3 rows at the front. As usual, I'll be using the free parting or C-parting technique, and I'm also going to be doing the box braid method, meaning that I'm going to start my twist off at the base with a small box braid, and this will allow the twist to last much longer. And I'm going to be asking her to hold on to each braid while I'm twisting them down, just so to avoid any additional tension. To get the edges close together, I'm going to be parting small sections using my C-parts and placing my braids as close together as possible. My apologies for the boxes in the background. I'm currently in the process of moving, and I was trying to get the best angle for you guys. So I like completing the first row of twists around the edges first. This is like my guide before I start the second row at the back. And this is what my first few braids looks like, and I'm just checking to make sure that it's positioned right. I've completed the first row of twists, and I'm now going to start on the row directly behind. And I'm simply going to part my sections between the braids or twists at the front, so they won't lay on top of each other. And now the second row is completed, so I'm on to the third row. Okay, so let's get started on the back sections. So I first apply braiding gel around the perimeter. I then create my first C-part section in the middle of the nape area, and this is my guide. I'm braiding the way that I would normally start a box braid, braiding down just enough to where I feel like the braid is secured. Then I go ahead and split the middle piece into 2 equal pieces. I then add each piece to the left and right sections to combine them together. And I start rolling the left piece of hair to the right, then cross that piece over to my left, and then roll that other piece to the right as well. I then cross them over each other and continue to roll each piece before twisting all the way down. I braid the ends of the twist to avoid them from untwisting or unraveling. You can also tie a small knot if that's what you prefer. I then ensure that the back and the front are the same length, and I continue with my C-parting technique. To extend the twist, I place a small piece of braiding hair in the middle of the twist, roll it into each side, and continue twisting. Let's keep looking. I'm finally on my last braid. Then I'll be using my scissors to clean, trim, or clip the flyaways so the braids can be even prettier. My client wanted the ends of her braids to be bone straight, so to achieve this, I first detangled the ends using a brush. I then separated the ends of her hair into 4 sections before dipping them. I then trimmed the ends with a razor, and finally I added some hair grease and redipped the ends one last time in fresh hot water. Now I'm going to be doing the finishing touches, like adding mousse, which is most clients' favorite part. I think it's because the mousse is cold and it feels good on their scalp. Then adding oil sheen and some hairspray. I also always blow dry the ends of the braids to get rid of the excess water. And now we're all done, and it's now time for our mini photo shoot. Then I'm going to put her hair up in a ponytail with a donut bun. Ooh, look at the parts, look at the braids. Everything turned out perfect. And it's given like a little ombre on the ends. Yeah, I like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Catch you in my next video. Bye.